developing story out of Turkey. The lira suffering its worst day in months after Turkish President Erdogan fired the nation's central bank governor. No official reason was given for the firing, but Erdogan has expressed frustration with the central bank for keeping its benchmark rate at 24% since last September to support the lira. Peter, interesting, you were starting to say in your notes, we hadn't got to this point, that some EM economies' local currency debt you were drawn to because of your view on the dollar. Is the Turkish lira in that camp?
Turkey is certainly a part of these the EM universe, and particularly in these EM funds. So yeah, I still think it's attractive, but when you see a story like this, it obviously worries you. Erdogan has taken the approach that lower interest rates will actually lower the rate of inflation, you know, sort of the backwards way of doing it. So he's been fighting his central bank for years now, and this is obviously the cudgel that he's hoping that would change monetary policy. But I'm optimistic on the rest of EM. Turkey's still a problem. Erdogan is a disaster for that country, and until he changes, there won't be a change in how that economy is run. Maybe the first sign of some changes is the Istanbul election, which was redone, and he lost even worse than he did beforehand. So, but it is alarming when you see a president firing their central bank.
Yeah, I mean, in the short term, of course, the Istanbul election has increased the political risk because it's given more sort of short-term issues for Erdogan to deal with. And of course, the risk is serious unpredictability, and this, I guess, is a slight example of that. Which of the EM economies stand out for you?
To me, Brazil is really interesting with the pension fund change likely to pass. That was really the last legislative sticking point that needed to get done in order to control the exploding budget deficit there. The Bovespa is at a record high, so that's pretty interesting. And even some of the other Asian EM countries, I think, are interesting, even though they're obviously susceptible to the China slowdown. I think from a budget standpoint, a central bank standpoint, still a lot of different and interesting situations there.